Vlog world, just got up, enjoying this view again. It's too epic. It's too epic. Imagine waking up to this every morning, yo. Imagine waking up to that type of view every morning. That's lit. That's lit. Riley, now come. Dog, why you lock the top door for? This guy is scared. Riley, now come. Yeah, whatever. So the plan is to I don't know, just find something interesting to do. So I'm about to eat breakfast. Yo, so this breakfast area is lit. They even bring us our drinks and stuff. Nice. Look on that, you see? I like your style, bro.
Oh,
what's that?
And this is chocolate and coffee and milk.
Some hot chocolate?
So chocolate.
Yeah,
you
chocolate.
Like it?
Yeah. Just finished my workout. It was amazing. Alante just got here. He was in the room watching TV and stuff. What's wrong with this lazy guy vlog?
No. We got 6 more days to be here, man. I'm trying to relax at least 2. I don't get no sleep. I need sleep. I work 15 days straight. I need sleep.
That's what I call lazy. Straight up. Straight up.
Yeah, you want your swimsuit?
Yeah. Vlog, so we are in the pool area. It's nice. It's nice. The sun is shining. And back home in Michigan it's cold. I'm living my best life right now. Birthday trip.
Get the bird up.
Yeah, pigeon look.
But the pigeon looks different.
Just left the pool area. I'm about to go up to the room and change into my pool gear. I don't know, today is just, you know, a relaxing day, you know. Last night we stayed out really late. So today is just relaxing and see what the hotel has to offer. Tomorrow we'll go out. I'm right outside the hotel just taking some pictures and stuff, and people keep staring at me, I guess, on the camera, because it's, I don't know, I guess they don't see that type of stuff often or something. But I'm just out here taking some pictures. Alante lazy butt should be taking them, but this guy wanna sleep. He wanna come on vacation and sleep, vlog. One thing I noticed, it's extremely difficult, like, understanding people. I have to be using Google Translate on my phone to understand most of these people, and it's just real interesting because this is my first time in a country where the people don't speak the language that I speak, you know. So it's my first experience with this, and it's amazing. Because now I'm interested in learning Spanish. So it's been a real culture shock, especially to Alante, because number one, we cannot understand the language. The people here drive crazy, and every time you want to communicate with somebody, you have to use Google Translate. It's just amazing, you know what I mean? Being able to get away from the norm, from work, bills, you know, just the headaches in life. This place is amazing. The food is amazing. As a matter of fact, yesterday we was at this restaurant and I ate some fish, and the fish reminded me of back home in Jamaica. Like, it reminded me of when I used to wake up early in the mornings, on Saturday mornings with my grandfather, and he used to bring me to the seaside, and we used to eat fresh fish. Nothing can compare to that.